What's good, everybody? So today's stream is gonna be a little different. A little change of pace. We can hop on some games a little later, but right now I'm gonna be doing my own. I guess this is an Arduino IDE. If nobody knows what that is, Arduino Uno to be specific. It's made by Elegoo. Don't know if they matter. Mega 250, Mega 2560. That matters. Those words, those letters, and numbers. But today I'm gonna be using this right here. Let me turn on my chat just in case people start talking.
Need a name, and we want it right now.
They matter. Mega 250, Mega 2560. And then, anyways, as y'all heard my voice, then I'm using this, and possibly, if I can function ESP32 into it, I don't know. Like, we're trying to figure out what we're making today. I'm gonna put these on my portfolio. That's pretty much it. Come vibe out, ask questions. But yeah, these are breadboards. If y'all don't know, I got two sets. I actually took off the middle center so then I could apply my ESP32 to it. But it doesn't really matter as long as you don't mess up the wiring in the back, which is these right here. Not the wiring, but like these metal prongs. These can all flip out and you can put them back in. But I actually have another set of a breadboard that I tried to take off the rubber plastic glue pasting, which is not advised, is what I heard. But to take this off, I needed to. And I pulled some pins, but luckily I had some extra. I also have this soldier breadboard. Haven't used this yet, but that's what doing these projects is gonna inevitably eventually let me use this. So right now I still got some stuff left on these breadboards. I like these stuff left on the breadboards from a previous project I did for school. I can explain them as I go if y'all want to. These are just buttons, if y'all can hear that. You know what I mean? These are just buttons, bro. Nothing but buttons. But buttons that you can, use. LEDs. It's colored LEDs. Pause on that, because I know it wasn't that long ago, if you catch my drift. Anywho. I don't know what I'm going to do, but from what I know is OC, open source intelligence. Everybody should know about OC. You have the internet at your disposal. You pick and choose what you want to use and how you're going to use it. I feel I left something that I needed, so let me step away for a second. Now we're gonna plug this up in the back. It's a little just a USB cable. That's how you kind of hook these things up. Not even kind of, that's just how you hook these things up. Okay. I mean, unless there's another way that I don't know, and which is highly likely. Yikes! This is not how you set this up. Give me 1 second. This box owns all my stuff. As I say all, I realize all of my stuff that I don't know where. Oh, this has a cable. Look how nice this cable is. I'm just keeping this out. I gotta go find the plug-in for this. So, if you guys will skip through if you're watching a year later, vibe with me if you're not. Where's my super soup? Dang, man, it's been so long since we could have seen that. It could be in the other box. when you become as technically, I won't say superior because I'm not superior, but when you become as technically induced as me, I guess. That's not the word either, but we're gonna call it that. You tend to have a lot of random shit that isn't really random when you know what it is. You just don't know what to call it. You know? LOL. What is bro yapping about? What the fuck is this?
Oh, that's my camcorder.
Nice.
It's not my mom's.
It's yours now, like. Let's see if this goes in here. It looks like it could. Does it power it though? Cause like that's the problem we're gonna have. I don't know where this. Oh, this was a cable. This was a cable I used to have connected to the top of my monitor. I mean, not monitor, top of my box. Pause, bro, not my box. You know what, bro? We're done elaborating on the box, bro. I hope everybody who's watching has had a good day. I bet you're wondering, like, what's this guy finna pull out, a portal gun from Rick and Morty? I wish. Alright? No cap. If I can make a portal gun for Rick and Morty, that'd be an issue for everybody. Would it? Nah, it wouldn't be. It wouldn't be. I'm a nice guy. I wouldn't fuck no shit up. Yeah, so, as I thought this might have plugged into something, I was wrong. I thought this was prongs. They're not prongs. So, we gotta go about finding this cord. That's our first task today on doing these projects. If anything, I know what the cords are. I mean, like, this is the same, right? If this goes in, then we gonna have problems. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, nah, not really. It's the same thing, but it's so far away. How do we solve that? We plug something up. Yikes. Let's see. We're gonna figure this out. I don't want to use this. I wish I knew where that shit was. So we're just gonna go through all the chords individually, so then we know for sure it's not in here. Because the one thing about researching anything or whatever, you should always check all the things that you have available to you in your face. You don't do that, then you're kind of screwing yourself over. No pause. We got some yellow red, white connector video jacks. We got an aux cord mic. Let's set it to the side when we call it out. Jacks, aux, watch cable, wireless Wi-Fi adapter, storage with a USB connected to it. We got a dongle. We got a dongle in this motherfucker. Oh my god, we got a dongle. We have a free outlet? Wow, Stanley. Thank you, Stanley. Not sponsored. Then we have, like I said, another watch. Yeah, 2 watch cables. Whatever this is. Never seen this. Let's see. Another cable just like that, except different, like NP. I mean, that's what you want to call it. And then we have our fake plug. Then we have another USB to micro. I couldn't tell you. We got this. Oh, we got this. If I plug this into the, let me cook, guys. Let me cook. I think we found a solution. Oh man, it's about to get swifty. It's about to get swifty in here. Yeah. Oh, swifty in here. It's about to get swifty. We about to get. Alright, let's see. Plug this in right here. I grab Nah, that's the problem. That's the problem we're at. I need this piece to connect it to my PC. Let me go ask somebody real quick. So Shane could get these little cables free from work. But you say you should probably have some. You know, I don't like looking at that shit. Done looking. Alright, let's look through my shit again. Okay, seems like there's 2 people watching. So whoever's watching, I hope y'all having a good day. Right now we're working on getting the Mega 2560 working properly. With we just need this cable so I can plug it into from my PC to my phone, like my PC to the Arduino Uno that I have in my hand right here. I just don't remember where that cable was. If you were to think back, you said you put all the cables connected to my PC into something.
The Timberland box would have been. Or no, it should be in one of the boxes. That box right there has all the PC stuff in it.
You guys ready to see another box? We got another package from downtown. Oh, this package was from this is not a vibrator, it's a massager. All right, but it could. Never mind. Actually, before we fumble through another box, we should put everything up in the box that we got out of, because organization is key. It's not a lot of cords. It's really just random useful cords. Fake outlet. I'm gonna keep this. No, we're not keeping it. Yeah, let's keep it out. It's right here, it's right here, it's right here, it's right here, and then whatever cord this is, it's another, whatever those cables are called, bro. I forget cable names, bro.
more, but I see it fits in there. Wait.
No, don't be I see it fits in there, guy. Those are called thoughts. All right. Be a see it. Nah, never mind, bro. I don't think I can win with y'all, bro. Oh, we found one thing that's useful. I think we're gonna keep this out. These are all. It's not saying useless, but not what I'm looking for. Let's see. We got another micro USB cable. Oh, we found it. We found it, guys. This is the one. Let me go ahead and go upstairs and tell them I found it. And rub it in their faces. I'll be right back on the scheduled program. Dun dun dun. You heard? Okay. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do this. Got this. Do that. Oh, this outlet is mad. Yeah, I see now. This is not the one, Daniel-san. Now that we got the power to the Arduino Uno, next step is finding out what we're gonna do this. So I have some ohm resistors inside here. These are called ohm resistors. I'm pretty sure. Did I threw the fucking chart away like I said I shouldn't have. Unless it's inside. But it is. Past Mari, he did justice. Yep, these are resistors. I call them ohm resistors, but they're definitely just called resistors. Don't stat at me. I mean, don't quote me. Alright, whatever. Now we got it. Each little sticker tells you what, like, it's 10K. I don't know what each value represents, because, you know, even though I did it for school, they didn't tell you that much. Or maybe they did, I just didn't. Yeah, let's not continue that statement. Aha! So we got 330. We got 220. And that's what we needed right there, 220. So these things are very fragile, bro. Y'all gotta be, if you ever get your hands on one of these, you have to be careful, bro. I don't know how many times I've touched one and they bent. And that's the thing too. You can weld these together and bend them how you want to up until it can't bend no more. So how about we just only bend them to where we need them? Wow, bro, that sounds so bad. Bend them to where you need them? Bro, who gave me this script? I'm joking, by the way. We don't run off script, man. We run off fucking off the dome, cuz. Oh, man. Trying to put these resistors back in the bag, cuz you don't, can't get these lost. Bet. So does it says it has a twist a So the one thing that people don't understand that you can do is look stuff up. That's what OC is, guys. It's literally looking stuff up. So it says I just copy and paste and do how to. All this is just straight up for you guys. All this stuff you can just look up. I don't want to watch no videos just for like copyright purposes. I would love to, but let me see. Not that. We're not doing that. Who better to ask than your boy ChatGPT? Now listen, bro don't got all the knowledge. Remember that. Bro does not have all the knowledge. But we will say that if you use it correctly, you can probably learn so much more than what the world lets on about AI. So identify components, make sure you distinguish the long legs and short legs of the LED. The long nose is the anode and the short leg is the cathode. Didn't know that. The 220 resistor will be twisted onto the long leg. If the legs of the LED resistor are long, you might want to take the 220 resistor and one of its leads, twist it around the leg of the LED and ensure that it's twisted connection. One of its leads. So I'm assuming just by color depiction, you can tell the red lights are down, and not the red lights, but like the deeper colored red lights, like these right here. These are what needs to be used. So we're gonna unplug it so we don't cause a fire. Then we plug this into the GND. That's power. These are long leads, and it told me to trim them down. I ain't trimming nothing, buddy. Or maybe I should. I don't know. I don't think I have the tools to trim. Or I guess I do got the tools to trim. We're gonna try to trim it. We got a lot, so let's go ahead and trim it. Let's do this to right here. That shit came off smooth. Okay. Baggie for trash would be nice. Just throw it to the top left corner, like it's nothing. And then let's trim it right here. Oh yeah. Let's trim it right here to leave some wiggle room. Top left, easy. We're gonna put this into the G&D, which is the third open slot. Bam. Mind you, I've never done this before. Oh, okay, wrong G&D. This is the G&D I'm going for over here. We're gonna put this right here. Bam. Just grab an LED of our choice because I don't care about none of that. Make sure the long leg is what I'm wrapping it around. It should be this one that's spinning, but obviously I did this wrong. Short leg, remember on the breadboard, short legs going to the ground. So instead of doing it like this, why do I even? We're gonna keep this out here just in case I want to do it like this. But instead of doing it like that, we're gonna do it the way I remember. So yeah, we did all that. Get the ohm, cut the ohm, get the resistor, cut the resistor. Jet business for nothing. Am I talking too much? So boom. Move this up. Grab the breadboard. Run the breadboard. It's over here. We're just gonna use one. We're gonna put short leg in the ground, long leg into the circuit board. I'll show y'all a little depiction of what I'm doing. We do have a problem. Not a bad problem, but like a slight problem. Maybe I need to, from what I remember, to have a circuit flowing, you gotta have full range of motion. So we're gonna grab a positive ground board, positive ground wire, negative ground wire. Why? Because like I said, you gotta have it go in complete circle. You ever seen lights in a house? Series circuit. You ever heard that in science? You see those? That's a real thing. It's no joke, bro. Don't let nobody make you think science and shit ain't real. It's just how they teach it that makes it seem stupid. Anyways, grabbing this, putting this into the Arduino at this point. Now, if I'm mistaken, I need to have, okay, how to hook up Arduino, I forgot, into breadboard. How to connect Arduino to breadboard. Dude. I think I built one. Alright, YouTube, or whatever. Okay, alright, so we see where our issue lied. I mean, our issue didn't lie. We just see where it is. Give me 1 second. Bam. So we need a way to keep this from leaning. Cool. So instead of what I was just doing, so like, yeah, like it shows, alright, that everything is looking how I remember it, except I need to pop, hopefully these still work. I'm gonna pop these back into place, or at least one of them. Check the wiring, check the little back plates. They seem pretty stable. Can't let you know if I know if they stable. They look stable, so we're gonna call them stable. Then we're gonna go ahead and smop this thing back on here. Is this the wrong one? Let me see. So boom, boom. Nice. So we're gonna pop this right here. So like I thought, cause she's doing a virtual, which I could really be doing. Well, we gonna get this site that she on after this. But since she has a display for me, I'm gonna use it. Nice. Nice. And then connect from the Arduino. I mean, from the breadboard to the Arduino, vice versa, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna use purple and orange. Why? Because it's Halloween and my girlfriend loves Halloween. So, okay, definitely not these. These are the male to female ends. Don't know why they're in here, so I gotta go through these cables again. But it's okay. That's how we learn, guys. You can't be upset at the process. You gotta love the process. So we're not using purple, but we use black and orange, because guess what? It's still Halloween. And guess who loves Halloween? I said guess. My girlfriend. Alright? She loves Halloween. Huh? I was telling them that we're going to use, for the connecting cables, we're going to use orange and black, because my girlfriend loves Halloween. So, now that we have, I keep pulling out the male to female end. So once I get an actual orange cable that I like, that's long enough, pause. Matter of fact, don't even gotta be long enough. Forget that I even said that. We just gonna push it closer because we have a long cable we can sway some yeah, power. So on this side, so the power, the A5, that's yikes. Okay. How to connect Arduino Mega 2560 to breadboard. I gotta sneeze. Whew.
Bless you.
Breathe. Alright, bet. So hopefully,
So what I like to do to start out is
same girl.
to each other. We can go ahead and we can route power from the Arduino Uno directly to one side of it. I believe I can actually make this curved so that you can see it a little bit better. To the 5 volts.
Okay, 5 volts. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, we actually have those too. So amazing. So 5 volts goes to the red, aka the positive, or because you know not everything is color depicted. Some people are colorblind. That was not a joke. I don't know why I'm giggling, bro. Horrible. Horrible. Dang, bro. Do I not have a longer orange cable? Nah, bro, we're doing this, bro. We're not finna. Maybe it's one of these? No, one of these. No, one of these. Alright. New switch up. We can't use Halloween colors. Sorry. We have to use white and black. Cause I'm black, I'm white. Alright, cool. So, if I remember correctly, to connect the LED and make it light up, all we need to connect the long part to here and the short to the ground. Grab a wire, any color. We got a long red one with a green light. We're gonna plug it into, let's say, we're gonna say 13. We're gonna plug it into 13. Why? Because who cares? Open up Arduino IDE. Okay. Bet. It's already in COM5 and everything. So if we go to File. Oh! We got it lighting up off rip. It's already lighting up, but we're gonna do a little something different. I think when it said do open project code. Wait, so connect it using the USB cable. Connect open project code circuit. How do you open the project code? How do you open the project code? Let's see. That's what we actually. What Python code will make Arduino LED light up on Mega 25060 light up a single LED? Alright, so what we're gonna do, because we're not cheaters, we're learners here. We're going to first erase all that code. We're gonna do import serial. Okay, let's do a new sketch because I don't know what's going on here with this. It's supposed to be, yeah. So we had to have these lines set up first, like void setup and whatnot, I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna delete that. So we're gonna do, let's put this to the side here. Be careful. Import. Still not giving me what I'm looking for. import time sir equal, yeah, let's do a different thing. Let's go to the previous, never mind, let's open recent, let's go back to the Wi-Fi scan. Let's look at how they have it set up to where they're okay. I got that all the way mocked up. So if we go back to, I got some sketches from old previous projects. So why, so if I was to type const, okay, we're gonna do void setup and then do import. Yeah, that's not working. It's not working. That's not working. Okay. What about in C++? So maybe it wasn't Python I was using when I did this. Okay, it wasn't. So cool. So the way I try to remember code, especially if it's like copying, is by typing first of all. Like I could copy and paste it all I want to, but what is that gonna do? If you didn't already answer, trust, bro, it's not gonna do jack balls. All right, you gotta know how you gotta look, because when you type, you gain a little bit different understanding. And now that I can like this right here. Let me go. This is a teaching moment for people if anybody's listening. It says constant. So I don't even know what const means. What does const mean? C++ const keyword is to declare variables that cannot be modified after initialized. It stands for constant. So a constant integer variable being LED pin. We don't want to call it LED pin because we don't have to. We can call it LD pin. And because I'm petty, we're calling it LD pin. So the constant integer for LD pin 13. What that means is this can't change because on the Arduino board it's 13. Facts. That's just how it works. I mean, it's a lot of stuff in this that like you could want to like break down and understand completely, and you can. But sometimes it's like, okay, I don't want to say it's not worth knowing, but it's not. It's better off being okay with the fact that it works versus fighting the fact that it works, right? Maybe that don't make sense. I don't know. It's just kind of like math. Like people always want to know why this equals that, but that's just the answer. You know, you can't change the answer. You only can change how you respond to it and how you learn it. At least that's what I learned from math. That's why I like math, bro. So this problem solving. It's literally what I enjoy the most when it comes to hobbies. Is a problem solving hobby. Like, why isn't this working? So serial did. So check if data is available to read from the serial port. That's 0. I don't know if that's gonna be the right number because I am on COM port 5, but I like Mari is not. I'm copying the code and I'm learning, so we gotta go flow by flow. So right now we're making an if loop. If you don't know what an if loop is, there's like there's different type of loops. There's Boolean. No, that's not necessarily a loop, but there's if, while loops, and there's another loop that slipping my mind. Types of loops in coding. There's nested loops, but that's like, so okay, while loops, for loops. If isn't necessarily a loop, then that's my mistake. While loop and for loops and nested loop is like it says, a loop inside of a loop. And what that basically means is if I was to make a while loop, which is like kind of set up how an if loop can look like with the 2 brackets at the end, knowing that it's like that signifies that. Am I yapping?
Huh?
Oh, I thought you was. Am I being too loud? It signifies that these command, like, when, if this is the case, like, that's what if it means. Or like, if your answer was 3, was it 3.5? If not, or else if, or like, let me say, else if it isn't 3.5, you write the code that represents, if it's not 3.5, it'll spit out wrong answer. But then if it is 3.5, like, so, if, else if, and then I forgot the end of the if, like, it's something, bro. I can look it up too, but I want to stay locked in. So right now we're actually making a nested if loop, and this is kind of what I mean. It accounts for all these different scenarios that it could be. And mind you, we don't even know if this is gonna work. We're just trying to make it work. You know what I'm saying? So this is what makes, this is the code that's supposed to be making the LD pin light up. High, that's just setting, obviously. I mean, come on, like, let's think about it. Use our context clues here. We all ain't dummies. Or maybe we are. Ugly. So from what it's looking like, if I'm writing the code correctly, I'm putting else if right here, and command 2 equal signs just means equal to. Like, they don't want to be regular and just put 1. That's what makes it so much more complicated. In parentheses, in quotations, is why I said it like that. Digital right. Oh, gotta make sure we keeping the code nice and together. Command, let's keep it nice and pinned together too. LD pin, and usually you will want to space these out if you're doing this for people. So I'll go ahead and make that a practice. Like, it just makes it easier to read. Like, if people ever wanted to copy your code, or you're trying to help a person out, that you should probably want to try to make it a little bit readable, right? So we're gonna verify the code, see if it works. I think that's what verifying on here does. It says it's done compiling, so we're just gonna go ahead and upload it to it and see if it lights up the LED, which it did, and it's still continuing to do it, hopefully. Let's try it again. Upload again. Alright, so right now we only have it to where it just blinks, it flashes for us. So my next goal is to, instead of making it light up one time, we're gonna try to make it light up multiple times, but by yourself, without, I mean, unless I don't mind asking ChatGPT, because come on now, who's gonna tell me not to? But we're gonna just use it like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just copy and paste these two. We're just gonna copy and paste these right here, and just see if that's gonna make it light up more at once. It does not. I don't want to have to go ahead and go through and type all type the whole if else statement again. So instead, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for some help. So ChatGPT, not even gonna call by its name. How would I make this LED light up as many times as I want? Imagine in C++ though, por favor. So they still want these if loops in here, but instead what changes it is, in this void loop that we have, we still have this first one, and then we have a second one, the second if. So we make another variable, int e's number of times, so he's gonna put n times equals 5. Sure, we'll make it n times equals 5. And we're gonna change this code if command is greater than if it's greater than, it gets eaten. So I'm pretty sure this is greater than or equal to 1. Int number 5 times, and inside the same loop, from what it's telling me is definitely move this down because you're gonna be inside the other loop. Actually, we're just gonna hit this with a smooth copy, and then we're gonna do the for loop that it's asking me to do. For int I is an imaginary number. That's literally what it is, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. What does the I represent in for loops? I in string. For this, the variable I is the variable where the value will be put. So, as I said, imaginary. It can be anything. I only read one definition, so maybe I could be wrong, but I'm also not too interested in all that. I mean, I am, but like, you get what I mean. And so, boom, create the for loop. You have to make the brackets. The brackets are what matters. And now we're going to copy this. I do remember this part of the project. Well, at least we never had to type the code manually. They just made us copy and paste it, bro. Ain't that real nice? Copying and pasting. That's so fun. It's not, bro. It's not. Anyway, we got low, and we're gonna delay that 1,000. And we're gonna go ahead and put the closing colons. Gotta make sure you put closing colons on all of it, or else it's not gonna be right. And then we're gonna delete that. Make sure all these have a ending. They do. Verify the code. See, this is why you verify the code. So it's saying at in output, this doesn't represent anything. That's for that. That's for that. This has nothing. Type shit. So then we just shift that. Boom. Verify code. It's looking nice. Hit it like this. Nice. So if I is greater than, if I is equal to 0, it only went, did it go twice? 1. Oh, okay. I mean, like, this would be, I feel like, personally, the boring way, because then you just have, because now it's probably just gonna blink twice like we want it to. 1. No the fuck it ain't. No the fuck it ain't. See, that's what I'm saying. ChatGPT don't got all the answers. Facts. But that's the whole point. It's not to give you the answers, it's to help you find your answer. Think about it. Now I could make this back to how they have it, so maybe that could be an issue. But it ain't. So that's the point. That's the point. If we can't do this by ourselves, you know what I'm saying? This is the start. Like, I think having the code there for me is what, how do I put it? Piss me off. So let's see. Change this to the desired count. So what if I put 10? I'm gonna put 10 right here. Cause it says right here, change this to the desired count. Still not giving me what I'm looking for. And this is where people give up. This is like the time where it's like, hey, yeah, I'm gonna give up. I can't do it. You know, it's done. But let's think about it. Use your brain meats. It's saying use the serial available. I mean, I'm not too sure. I mean, I know it's 5, but like that's probably not even gonna make or break it. So this number doesn't even have anything. Let me try something. Let me try something myself without ChatGPT. So we're gonna grab this. We're gonna go ahead and push all these back to the first layer. Now this is probably gonna definitely, to be honest, mess it up. But we don't care. That's the point. We want it to feel like it got a holdovers. So we're gonna verify. Says it's working. Oh, I'm better than ChatGPT. That's what we just figured out. I am better than ChatGPT. So it's stuck in a constant loop at the moment. So that's why we do the if statement. Okay. So if we're gonna make up our own code here. If LD pen equals 5, we're going to do that, do this. How to end if statement in C++. If, oh yeah, it's break. So then let me see. What's it gonna ask me? Restart it. So now we've taken the code away from where the LED pen can see it. We're gonna try something different here, fellas. Alright. If LD pen break, the end. That's what we're gonna say. How does it work? Okay. Don't work. Try again. Okay. So if I do this, bam, break, that, verify. Break statement not within loop or switch. Not within loop or switch. So it's only for loops. I thought if was a loop. Alright, we're gonna figure this out. Try this. What about now? How would I make the LED blink 5 times and stop stop? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the half of this because obviously it doesn't matter. It's telling me to do a if loop and a for loop inside a if loop. Command equals 1. We're gonna try to write it how it's showing, just because I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. But like, not like in a bad way, just like learning moment. LD pin is the LED. It cannot be -5. Add counter. LD pin is the LED. It cannot be -5. Add counter. So what do you mean by it cannot be equals 5? I mean, I only did that just to see how it was gonna react. It obviously didn't do nothing. So like, explain to me like what you mean so then I can fix it like right now. So if the LED, if the LED pin is the LED, obviously, I mean, I'm the one that made it. Hold on, wait a second. Okay, LED pin, yeah, LED pin is definitely the LED. What I'm trying to get it to do right now is blink 5 times and stop, just to familiarize myself with just doing it without having to copy and paste code. I want to be able to write the code myself. Add counter. I know how to add a counter, which is, plus equals, if I'm not mistaken. That is the counter to add and make the integer go up. But I'm curious to hear what you have to say about what you're telling me at this moment. But if you're not gonna say nothing in a moment, I'll make a new sketch and we'll keep the sketch open just for you, homeboy. By the way, what's your name? Ask GPT to write simple for loop, work 5 times in Arduino. Yeah, this is it right here. This is the if, and this is the for loop inside the if statement that is telling me I would need to write. Because right prior to me seeing your message, this is exactly what I was talking about, like no cap. So I'm glad you kind of introduced yourself. I don't know how to say your name. If you could throw me some like parentheses for pronunciation. If you'd rather have your name pronounced right, I'll pronounce it correctly. If you want me to call you something else, I'll call you that. But just know that your boy is willing to try to say your name correctly. All right. So serial.available. That's what I'm not familiar with. Is the serial.available. I don't know what that means, to be honest. Like I told you, like I said earlier, they just had us copying code. Like I already knew how to write in C++ after like it was like a year after I didn't remember exactly. Adam, what's good, Adam? Hope you're doing good. I know how to write in Python. Like it's all basic core knowledge, basic understanding, just never practice. So it's time to start practicing it. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm correct, obviously means character. I'm not sure what command is supposed to be, but I'm not gonna fight it. I'll look it up. I want to look it up, but I don't want to delay the process any further because we're trying to get this thing to light up 5 times and stop. Facts. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this thing to light up 5 times and we're gonna get it to stop. And whether that means constant trial and error, it's gonna mean constant trial and error. It says num times, but we're different, so we put num times 5. This is the same code it gave me last time, but I didn't ask for what I asked for. So obviously int I equals 0 colon I is less than, I is greater than n times. That's the counter. The counter is the I plus plus. Facts. That's what I remember. Mistake me if I'm wrong, Adam, please, because like I said, I'm not no dummy, but I don't know it all. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather learn than not allow myself to learn over thinking I know everything. The Dunning-Kruger effect. Face ass. So we're gonna continue writing this with this. Obviously I can copy and paste, but like, where's the fun in that, bro? I feel like the fun in coding and programming is the typing. If you don't know how to type, you're just not the guy. It's not for you. Okay, I ain't gonna say that. I just feel like it's a lot more intriguing that way. So then we're gonna leave the for loop, have it do serial. Oh, this goes to the serial monitor. Okay. We learning. And it's gonna say blinking. We're gonna say it's stopful. I'm gonna say it's stopful because come on now, everything we have has personality around here, cuz. Then we're gonna do delay, and then we're gonna do 1,000 because that's just what's in the code. That's correct. So boom. Before we continue, we're gonna have the serial monitor ready, have it on standby. That was 5 blinks in the matter of milliseconds. Okay. 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 So from what it's looking like right now, we're gonna add we're gonna do this without the chat. I can't type with with this stuff in my way. No excuses. Enter 1. Enter 1 into the serial monitor. Adam, you genius. It stopped full. So I didn't know that's how the serial monitor works. See, they didn't even taught us that in the college. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So this is clearly, so if you ever want to make a light blink 5 times, I mean, obviously you can go to ChatGPT, or you can learn it. You can look right here and do it and say it yourself. But we ain't stopping there. So that was just me trying to make sure I understood what I want, if that I can do what I want to do. Typing manually is way more better than use AI aid. That's what I'm saying. I won't say than using AI aid, because I want to let you know something, Tom. If you don't know something, you got to look it up. And if I can learn from AI, if this is how they decide to code it, I ain't gonna say it's the end all be all, but it will help me grasp the understanding so I can write it by myself. This isn't something I want to do every time I'm doing it. That's why I'm here. So I will hear what you say, but I'll also say booey to you. Cause come on, bro, think about it. You got to be able to learn. You can't just I can go read, but this is just like open source intelligence, OC. It's using the internet to your advantage versus letting yourself go through it. I mean, the trials and tribulations are a part of it, though. Don't get me wrong. I've been through many. Can't hear you. Can't hear me. Come on, chat. You already fucking with me? Can't hear me. I can see the mic moving, cuz. Come on, cuz. He said, "Keep going, boy. Keep going, boy." That was a little wild, bro. Boy, I am a grown man. Anywho, don't matter. I ain't got nothing to prove. So, why did I add a third one? Because I just want to see. I don't know. I just want to see, like, does that even change anything? So we're gonna enter 1 into the serial monitor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the code just like that is definitely how it works. Oh, in my bad, Tom. I meant to tell you, typing more better is not correct English, but I appreciate the talk. So what happens if I delete these 2? And we're gonna run the code again per usual. Take me to the serial monitor. 1. Oh, okay. I'm selling. So what I did was, obviously, I took the low away, so it doesn't even turn off. It's just giving me constant reassurance that it works, and I appreciate that. Thank you, Light. But we're not asking for that. We're asking for this right here. And as you can see, I didn't look at Chat GPT one time, because that's how you know we learning. So we're gonna verify. We're gonna upload the sketch again, and this should work. 1. Wait, didn't even type 1 in the thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. It stopped full. Serial monitor's working. Everything seems to be working fine when it comes to just testing out the circuit, making sure the circuit goes well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out. We're gonna say phooey to all this, because like I said, this is not why we're here. We're here to learn. We're here to we're here to craft a project. So now that I have 5 people in here watching, answer. What should we do with the Arduino IDE today? Arduino Mega 2560. I'm cool with any suggestions. I got a few ideas, but I don't really know. Like, can you make the LED blink with the number that you put in the serial? For example, you enter 3. Okay, I like what you're talking about. So we're gonna actually have this come back here. So, can I do that? Can I do it now? No, but will I do it? Will I be able to do it in a second? Heck yeah, buddy. For you, I got you. Can you see the light reflecting off my face? Or is it not in view? If you don't mind me asking. Cause I know I don't have another camera which should probably be facing this. But it's definitely not. But we're gonna try it. So I want to go ahead and I don't want to ask chat to give me the answer. But if I ask you to give me the answer, it'd be just like that. So what would you suggest? Would you suggest me just typing it in and then just seeing what happens, or you want me to go to chat, or Adam, you think you got the light to help guide me through this, make it blink by the number given in the serial? And I ain't talking about Fruit Loops, buddy. All right. By the way, I hope you had a good day too, Adam. Same thing for you, Tom, and whoever else is viewing. Right now I'm just trying to make some more projects for my portfolio, so I'm taking y'all along the journey with me. We're also gonna be later on, hopefully later on, you know what I'm saying, if you're enjoying this, I'm gonna be doing some coding in Python. We're gonna try to make a few games that we can play. It's not full. I know you see it. No, it's not full. You feel me? So if I type this right here, not right now. If I go ahead and upload the sketch to the program, I took the lights out and everything. So give me 1 second. Hit this right here. Take this, put this in pin 13. Pin 13 connected, and if we enter 1, it's blinking right off this side. I want to see what it looks like on stream, so I know y'all at least can see some of what it is. Cause eventually I want to be able to use the LCD display off the Arduino Uno, or whatever y'all want to call it, Mega 2560. So Adam seems to have not answered my question, so we're gonna try to do it ourselves. So LED pin, let's see. LED pin voice setup serial begins at 960. That's the baud rate. Pin mode, LED pin output. Don't know exactly what pin mode means. Function pin mode parameters. Yeah, don't know what any of that means. Keep it a buck. If serial is available, don't know why the zero's here. We can just look this up if you guys are down. But I'm just gonna leave it to whatever it is for right now. Char command. Or character command. I'm gonna go ahead and look that up just in case. What does the char command mean? As y'all can see, I type at light speed. Declaration char command is a data type. We know. Purpose: the variable is used to store the command received from the serial communication. Nice. So instead of stereo read, okay, we cooking. So let's say int integer, we're gonna say number of times is gonna be equal to the serial read. We're gonna try that. I don't know if that's we're gonna do int like that. We're gonna verify this code. They ain't fucking with the code, guys. They not fucking with the code. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do that, see if it verifies. Cool. We're gonna do this. Go into the serial monitor. We're gonna type 2. Definitely didn't work. He said, make more coding video than gaming. We learn together, bro. Facts, Tom. I like you, Tom. Untapped market. The smooth way you talk, personality plus Python tutorials. Gold mine of channel. Really? Y'all are giving you see that, bro? They said untapped market, the smooth way I talk, personality, wink, Python tutorials, gold mine of a channel. If that's what y'all want to see, bro, I'm still playing games, but I'm definitely down. If that's what it is, bro, go ahead and sub to the channel first of all. You know what I'm saying? Like this is the first time I ever got into any of this on live, not at all. But despite that, enter 1 then enter 5. Enter 1 then enter 5 in the serial. I just got debated by Adam, bro. I just got mixed up by Adam. Welcome to the 6 people that's watching. This is the most we've had in the stream concurrently. I hope you guys are having a good day. Like I said, we are vibing. We're vibing right now. I don't know what music I could play. I could play my own music, which if y'all didn't know, I make music. 250,000 on Spotify. No soft flex. Just letting y'all know, credibility. If you ever want to listen to it, I don't mind throwing that down for y'all. But back to what I was saying. I'm not sure whether or not. Okay, so he said try enter 1 and 5. So is this what you mean? Question mark? So we're gonna upload the code again. Yikes. Definitely not in there. I'm gonna do it in here. We're gonna do verify the code. Yeah, they don't like when you put something in there. So if y'all don't like vaping, don't do it. I'm trying to think, bro. Where do we start in making this blink? By the enter. Now listen, when it comes to looking stuff up, I don't like getting a straight answer. Like, obviously I'm on ChatGPT. It's cool. It's whatever. I'd rather type it in and then try to understand everything myself. That's my way of coping with that. But I like this more of trying to problem solve the situation. So you got this code in front of you. Let's turn it into something else. So what we gonna make it turn into to make it blink 5 times? Think about it. If we can make it blink 5 times, we wouldn't only complete our goal, we'd learn something new. Or at least I learned something new if you ain't already know. So let's think about it, bro. Let's think about it. I know for sure that this code right here, if we just let it run and we go ahead and enter the number 1 into the serial monitor, because if command equals 1, it stopped full. So now, from what it's because I nice. It's because I changed this variable, but we're gonna fix that. The problem is on line 15. It's this right here. Okay, so int number of times int serial read. What if I do that? And with the parentheses, because you know that makes sense. So if I do that, serial monitor 2, 3. Nah. So the problem's on. Look, he told us the problem's on 15. So I appreciate that knowledge. I know there's a way to. There's a way to make it to where the input. Is it input? Nah. Is it input? Int. Like that? I don't want to ask ChatGPT, bro. Like that's literally the whole point of me. 1 then 3. Like it's delayed, so you got to give me some credit when you say 1 then 3. When and what time did you tell me to put 1 and 3 in? What was line 15 looking like? Also, nobody told me how their day was, so I will stop the stream if you guys do not tell me how your day was. Facts. I'm not kidding. This is a real thing, all right? Mental health. You got to be able to talk about something, even if it's just, all right, good, okay. Then if you want to explain, you explain. If you don't want to explain, nothing further. You ain't got to say those words specifically, but those words would be nice. Anywho, in the serial, I mean. So when you talking about when I type serial dot read here, 1 then 3? This is definitely not what this guy's talking about, bro. This is definitely not what bro talking about. Facts. It's definitely not what bro talking about. I'm sorry, Adam. I'm trying, and I will not stop trying. I'm curious, bro. I'm curious to what y'all are talking about, or what you're talking about specifically, Adam. And Noah, I'm telling you right now, you are definitely on something about the smooth way you talk. Wait, pause. Just the gold mine of a channel if we did more coding and gaming. So I got you, bro. I saw how y'all both double teaming me on that topic too. So that was actually real nice of you guys. Upload the code. Alright, upload the code. Alright. You heard him, guys. Upload the code. So you said type 1, then 3. Just got hit with the fattest L in my life. 1, 3. It stopped, fool. It stopped, fool. Oh, there's a way to clear the monitor. We're gonna clear it because why does it have to say all that? You know, got him. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna change this to got him because it has a double meaning. Either we got him, boys, or it got us. Got him. All right. That's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna change it just like that because why make it not interesting? Upload the code. I uploaded the code. I got nothing. Not saying I expected that because obviously I don't even know. But you should never expect success. You should only expect trying to get there. No? Was that like a Pixar movie quote? I feel like somebody said that. Da Oogway? Master Sifu? Master Splinter? No? No? No. In line 15. In line 15, add 1 and 3. 1, comma 3? It don't make the cut. Not like that's what you said to do. I'm just trying to figure out what you mean. This should probably be the most frustrating thing. You look at him. He said no with 3 O's. That's how you know he's like, bro, what is this guy doing? Bozo. Stop. Then what is it? Hey, what is it, Adam? Tell me what's up, Adam. Give me what you mean, bro. It's like writing a bug bounty report, bro. You gotta clear, concise steps. I will follow. I'm just doing as you say at the moment. Hey. Then upload the code. What? What did you say? Then upload the code. I ain't upset with you. I'm just confused. It ain't gonna ever upload. What? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Upload the code. It's just not working, bro. What if I do int 1? Verify. No, bro. I am unsure of what you're talking about. By the time I get back, have an explanation at the bottom. I have to go get some water. As I expected.
Who you talking to?
Huh?
Who you talking to?
One just now. Kind of today, cause yeah. Oh nah, I have when I went to go poop, I clogged the toilet, so I was punching the toilet the whole time. But we fixed it.
Hmm?
We fixed it. There's a poop stick that he uses. It's like a hockey stick, and he just puts it down in there.
Cameron home?
I'm not sure. Why? Oh, what you? Oh. Oh, I did it. Well, I mean, I used ChatGPT, but it was just one thing. I think that's what he was trying to type the whole time. But whatever number I type in here, it's however many number it blanks.
license any asset type in one simple plan. Try free for 30 days. Start creating.
Hello, curious minds. And
of cables, as you can see here. Apply which is
I don't think I have that. We're gonna back out of this one. Why do I have to look at videos, bro? Let's see. Okay. Cool. So we have some LCDs with backplates already. So 5. Yeah, all of my virgin to male cables out here. Alright, 3 brand new ones. That's what Mari chose. So that's a version 2. I meant it's female to male cable. So weird that they call it that, because it has a, you know, the entrance ways. Pretty weird. Alright, so. Oh, did I break it? No, I didn't break it. Cool. We're gonna just go ahead and connect all these cables in here. It'd be less taxing on my mom. Oh, is that bad? I don't like that noise. Oh man, I hope I ain't fucking up these wires. Nice. I really like that. That went in so smooth for what? So, alright. So GND to GND. GND to I gotta take out the 5V and put the 5V with the VCC. I don't make the rules. The 5VC, the SDA. DSA to A4. SDA to A4. And then SCL to A5. Okay. Okay, let's go to file. Let's go and delete all this code for, well, so we're gonna do file, include library, or the edit, or sketch, include library, add zip library, go to PC, this one, library is this, open. Library installed. We're gonna do this. We'll do this. Like this. Let's see. Not lighting up. What's the name of the file that I just opened? I think it's because this 5V is taking Guess the other way around. Let's take this off, and then it says connect GND. Just purple. I'll put that on Venro. GND to GND, and then blue. I just gotta move this whole thing out the way real quick. 'Cause from what it's looking like, I don't even need a breadboard for this. Alright, so GND VCC to 5V, blue goes to 5V. Oh, okay. Nice. Just some bad connections by good old Marty Mark. The screwdriver that I had to adjust the lighting. Alright, let's do this again. Let's do this. Interesting. Okay. So we do what?
Hey, got a sec?
Right now, for the people watching, we're looking up some codes to. All right, let's see. We're gonna ask chat because you know we got it working now. So, what is a code to display words onto my LCD from my Arduino? Yeah, they're doing the most. This is a lot. But I mean, like, we want to see if it works. Like, why wouldn't we? Let's see. Verify the code, make sure it's nice. It says it's done compiling. Think. Yeah, okay. First, we're gonna do the casual. Have you unplugged it and plugged it back in? Nice. Messing with the back plate here. It's trying to display something. I wish I could lift it up a little higher, but it's trying to display something, but it's not displaying it good enough. How do I check the address? Nice. So this is how you check the address. I wish I knew how to just write this by myself. There's supposed to be a shift right there. Then right there, and then right there. What did that? Nice. So it should be in a serial monitor. Scanning. So right now it's letting me know it's scanning, but like, why so much? Oh, I see. Let me see. Let me make sure I'm using the full code next time. Which one is it? It's this one? Alright, so we're gonna do, oh shit. We're gonna do this. Do that. Okay. Do that. Then go to the serial monitor. No IC2 found. What's it called? Interesting. Why no device is found? If the 12C scanner sketch doesn't find any device on the bus, there could be 3 reasons: wiring issue, power issue, I2 address confirm. Yeah, we're gonna try the other common address.
Come in.
If we're gonna find the other common address, let's see. We're gonna go back up here. We're gonna try this code again. The other common address it says is 0 by 3F.
Hi.
Hey,
So boom.
Boombalakaka.
you made up one, dude. God
I
damn.
know I got two for you. So that way you didn't have to walk in 3 days.
Appreciate that.
This should last you till next weekend, right? How she get hold the same time as me? Where you want to put it?
You sit on the bed.
Look who I'm with. You can't see nothing. No problem. Look, now she's the Coke Goblin.
I saw a video. This guy poured him a glass of Coke, and it was like, sit with me to study, study as long as this Coke lasts. And he took a sip, he was like, and then he just chugged the whole thing. I was like, that'd be me. I wouldn't be studying for very long.
Yikes. He just took a sip, stopped, and then took it and kept going.
Yo,
I'm gonna try this code again.
Look, they're twins.
that is like the fucking stuffed animal version of him.
Let's see.
Bro, I won it out of a buffet.
She met up with you guys there?
Jonathan went and ate 4 plates of random seafood and Asian cuisine. He ate 4 plates of that, and me and Kedgy went to Chipotle, as we normally do. I mean, he spent $12 for 4 plates. He was just drinking his food. That's why he was showing you food review.
Yeah, no. Whatever he was eating looked disgusting.
It all looked bad, so bad.
Probably smelled bad too.
I'm telling you. Probably tasted worse than it smelled, but not to him. To him, it was numb. He just went numb. His whole food tasting, all of that.
You better go upstairs.
Yeah. I'm about to go to sleep.
I know, you got home pretty late today.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all past curfew?
My LCD is
Out past
like
curfew.
display, but no right
What you mean curfew?
words on screen. What
I love you.
do
Sleep
I
well.
do?
I love you too. I love both y'all. Y'all sleep well as well.
Yeah, we will.
Check wiring, ensure that all the wires connecting the Arduino to LCD model are properly connected. Verify that the SDA clock for power contrast OC just confirm. Test it in your by the address. Try using
Mara, you found this in the washer?
and the lighter.
Ooh. You found it in the washer.
Okay, examples.
I'm gonna do y'all's laundry since y'all didn't mind.
You don't have to do that.
I did. Because I love him.
Why?
Y'all did it to me. You feel lucky.
New sketch. Exit this sketch. Don't save. File. Examples. Liquid. Hello world. Why isn't my library example code displaying? No. Showing up in Ardu, after I click it.
Hey, washing machine's open. I'll put y'all's blanket in the dryer.
Thank you.
Of course.
Let's try that, I guess. Go to file, go to examples, go to this. Hello world. Okay. Finally opened up something. Let's try it. Says it's done compiling. Definitely didn't work. I think some of these connections might be wrong. LCD, C, I2C, Arduino, Mega 2560 connection. Bro, who picked this music, bro? BBC, F5B, GND and GND. Nice. So SD, okay. I'm assuming I'm gonna do this without that. SCL goes to SCL. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's a lot of blinking right now. Where's my? Cool. So what we gonna do? We're gonna run this. We're gonna run this hello world code back. Maybe I should unplug it, plug it back in. Maybe I tripped it up. Wasn't ready to be plugged in and plugged out like that. Nice. So now we have a display. What I don't like is the flashing. So is there a way to, let's see, let's take a look at this code. So hello world, nice. Flashing the backlight. Okay. So let's not flash the backlight. Or if we're gonna flash it, let's make the delay 500 to see what that does to it. And then Ariana?
Oh,
Nice.
you're so cute.
Nice. So, I don't like it flashing. What?
That's cute.
What you wanted to say? And do you want it flashing or no?
How do you fix it flashing?
I'm pretty sure if I set these to 0. Oh, well maybe if I just actually delete this line of code, I'm gonna copy it. I mean, just to kind of look at it again, but if I upload it again, should just, yeah. No, but this one, oh, let's see the LCD print Ariana, and it says setting cursor design position. So I don't know what makes it like sway in and out. I don't have to make it sway in and out. I'm gonna see what happens when I change some of these values on here. But then when I made it 1, is that what made it light up and out? Light in and out? Nice. So when you make it 1, it lights up in and out. So hold on. We just gonna make it light up and just say it. Cause that's how I feel.
Let me see it.
Hold on. We got a little trouble here. I don't know if it's this. Alright. So we gotta fix some. What was it beforehand? I mean, I guess it was 5.1. Alright, let me fix it so the phone can see it better. Oh, it's flashing faster. Look at that.
Oh, I can't really see it.
Oh, you trying to take a picture?
Yeah,
Oh, you gotta lower the brightness.
I just did. It was just all the way to the lowest.
Is it cause it's flashing?
Bring it over here.
Kinda can try it.
Got it. I'll take a video.
You know, a little easy LCD, little C++ coding. You can do whatever. I didn't write the code myself, so we're gonna write a little different code just to see what we can do to it.
I just thought it was cute.
Glad it made you smile.
Yeah.
All can I do with an LCD I2C display? So we're gonna save this sketch as I love Ariana. And we're also gonna make her another thing. Ari LCD. Just gonna say that. Ari LCD. Okay, I get it, bro. I get it. You go to PC, you go to this PC, you go to this. You go to new, make a new folder, LCD display codes. Open it, save. Look at that. It's a new sketch. Gonna new sketch it up. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna type this all by hand. Why are you typing it by hand, Mario? You don't have to type it by hand. Yes, you do. That's how you get to it, gang. If I don't learn the right way, I'll never learn. If I don't learn any way, I'll never learn. You know what I'm saying? Let's check our shits real quick. I should do this later. So now I don't like that I can't see. Alright, it's cool, it's cool. So anytime we start it, it's just say include. Oh, my bad. Hashtag include wire.h. I don't have wire.h apparently. Include hashtag include liquid crystal .i2c. That's not the name of the file. So we gon' let's see something before we type it in and get our full synopsis. We're gonna copy it, see if it actually runs. Because why would I type it all in and not work? Okay. It does work. So I open the serial monitor. So what, 3? How do I navigate through? If I'm not mistaken. How do I navigate through LCD IC2? I was just nice to hit that. Next.
Which with the LCD's registers, bit mode use and the LCD. I will use an Arduino Mega board, 1K potential.
Okay, potentiometer. Oh, nice. Gotta find parts. Gotta find parts. Gotta find parts. Gotta find parts. Gotta look at parts. The parts is the parts. The parts that we use. And that's what the part is. Part is. And you know I'm not gonna stop this. I keep going. I don't care. I'll never stop shit. This is it. What does a... Alright. What does a... pulling 20 potentiometer, 10K. 2 PCs look like. Images, please. This looks like that. This looks like that. Facts. This definitely looks like that. Alright. This can't be right, bro. I mean, like, this moves up and down. What is this? So right now, see guys, this is about to be, we're about to do a image search of, we're about to do an image search of whatever I'm looking at right here. This is a joystick interface. So how do I connect a joystick interface to my Arduino Mega 2590? Wait, what? Arduino Mega 2560. Oh, I can put an actual analog stick on this motherfucker? Rather not right now. I think I like it looking like this right now. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these male to female connections inside. As you can see, your boy is never lacking the wires. Never. There was actually a time where I did not know if any of these wires worked. And also there was a time I didn't know if any of these wires were, where they were, what, like, at all. Like, they disappear, bro, if you're not paying attention. But let's see. So right now we got 5 connections. So we already got two out. So what's 5 minus 2, guys? Come on. Easy. We there. So I'm gonna put this joystick back inside, or whatever this is, because I didn't reverse image search that, or image search that. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and connect these cables into here. Just make sure they're fully in there. I tend to make mistakes. We all do. Let's try not to injure this. Sorry for the gaps, guys. Shit. Sorry, every time it bends, bro, I don't like it. Alright, I'm gonna be honest. But they can bend. Like, literally they can. It's just like, why force them to do that? Only do it if you have to. Okay. Fuck, man. I'm scared, bro. Alright, bet. I don't know how I just pushed that in there, so maybe it's like a technique. Maybe you gotta like lean up with it. Lean up with it. Yep. You lean up with it, it seemed to work better. I done figured out something new today. You lean up with it seemed to work better. Watch this, look. Lean up with it. Lean up with it. Lean up with it. Yep. Look at that. It went right in there. Is that easy? Alright. Does he have a diagram, or he's just gonna tell me? Cool. think that's what I was about to try to ask for. Sorry. Thank you. This is our only hope. I didn't look too far.
Press on the joystick itself. You have a Y axis. So we're going to go ahead and make the connections right now. We're going to start with the switch, which is a digital pin. We're going to put that on digital pin 2 on our Uno. Right there.
Ah, yikes, not the Uno.
Y axis.
Not the Uno, buddy, not the Uno.
Hello again, everyone. This is I.
Let's just take this search from here. That shit don't work. Okay. I think I understand what it's saying now. So let's grab some long enough wires. Okay, of course I grabbed the wrong type of wire. Okay. Perpendicular. You know we learn. We understand. Yeah. Ground connection. This should have G&D pins. Ground. So the G&D to the negative, and I'm assuming this to this. And if I was to do G&D is purple. If I was to do this and oh, okay. Then if I do G&D 5 again, G&D 5. Alright, you're giving me a lot of information. That's not what I asked for. So, connect the VRX and VRY. Oh, wrong connection. Glad I looked. VRX and VRY. So X is purple, Y is black. So then we're gonna do purple here, Y here. And then what about the SW connection? Alright, and then connect this to pin, to pin 2. Now how would I make the controller scroll through the LCD I2C menu? Okay. Why doesn't this code work? There are errors in the 27th line, 27th, 31st, and 48th line. I hate that I'm asking. I just want to see how to make it work, you know? Bro, spat that shit out, bro. Cause look now, if I can just understand what I'm looking like, if I can get it to work first, and then go about understanding what it's doing. Alright, so what we're gonna do is gonna call it quits. Not like we're quitters, but tomorrow we're gonna be doing some Python coding. Hopefully more people being here, we can chat it up, and we're gonna jump back on this LCD controller display because I have a project that I think I want to do. I just want to see how this is gonna work. Try to make a menu that you can display, but obviously I don't want to have the code handed to me, but I don't know how to code it, so I'm gonna look kind of. What we're gonna do tomorrow? We're gonna do some sketch. We're gonna upload ChatGPT sketch, see if it works, make sure it works, and then type the code in my own like dictionary to kind of imprint it in my mind. Not that will help a lot, but it will help me understand values, and then I can switch stuff up and go from there. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day.